Hello class, welcome to Moy School. Alright, today we'll be covering the topic of money in the grand topic of measure. Alright, in this topic we will be covering the standard money format and a decimal point. You'll be introduced to decimal point and you'll be also able to solve problems involving money. Alright, now the first thing we need to know is how to read and write money. So I have a picture here that will show money in the form of cent. Okay, so we're going to look at US money first because it's easiest. Okay, US we have dollar, right, and cent. Okay, cent typically used for the coins. Okay, we're going to use that first. Alright, so if a 1 cent, right, it's written as so. Okay, so I'm just going to write that down again. 0, this is what you call a decimal point, the point 0.01. But with the dollar symbol here, this changes everything. Okay, so this is said as 1 cent. Okay, so 1 cent. So I'm going to just write that down. 1 cent. Alright, now similarly, if you have dollar 0.05, this will be 5 cent. Okay, now if let's say I have dollar with let's say, oops, sorry. Okay, 55. This is to be said 55 cent. Okay, so if you notice, right, the back end of it after the dot, this will tell you the cent, meaning how much in coins. All right, usually sorry, excuse me. Okay, and there will only be two numbers. Okay, there cannot be more. All right, if it's less than two numbers like 5 cent, 1 cent, you put 0 in front of it. Okay, but it will always be 2. Now why is that the case? Is because once you have 100 cent, this will be equivalent to $1, or if I want to rewrite it, it'll be like that. Okay, so now what you notice is the front number becomes a dollar. All right, it represents dollar. So for example, if I were to have, I'm gonna just quickly write down here a number. So if I have $2.73, for example. Okay, I've written down a number here. All right, $2.73. Now how do you write this in the form that we've just learned? Okay, so as I said before, on the left side that represents the dollars. So in this case $2, we write it as 2 first, and then the point, and then 73 cents. Okay, now this without the dollar symbol, without the currency symbol, it's just 2.73. It could mean anything. Okay, no, I have to put this symbol. So in this case we're doing dollars, $2.73. Then you'll read it as such, $2.73. Okay, all right, it could be any number. So if I have $50.50, it would be $50.50. Now the dollars can go as big as you can. As for the cents, will always remain at 2 digits only. All right, now when you do calculations with money, it works the same as your addition, subtraction, and also multiplication. Again, you're only limited to the 2 digits in the cents section. So let's do one by one. Let's do this, question 1. Right, so we just add them as normal, but we make sure we line them up according to the point. So this is the most important point. Wherever the point is, that's where you have to align them. So if it's a large number or a big small number, whatever, you make sure you always align the dots in one line, and then you can do your addition. Okay, so here we always start on the rightmost. 3 plus 0, you get 3. 5 plus 5, you get 10. Now where the 1 goes, 0 goes there, 1 goes up here, because we have 100 cents. So the 1 goes up here and adds to it, it becomes $8.03. Okay, now it works the same way with subtraction as well. So something like that. I'm just gonna write the dollars and then minus. All right, so these are all zeros, so we need to blend it. So this will make 1, this will be 9, 9, and then 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 1. Okay, so this will be your balance, so to say. Okay, $18.75. Now lastly, we also have multiplication. Right, so multiplication, usually dollar sign is there. This will be just a number on its own. 0 times 3 is 0, 3 times 5 15, goes up, 1 goes up, 1 times 3 is 3, plus the 1, you get $4.50. Okay, so it works the same as any of the questions, any other problems you've had. So obviously there are a few keywords you need to know in money. One of them is sum and total. Alright, this means you have to add numbers together, add the money together. Alright, now there's also another few keyword you will see is change or balance. Alright, this basically means, for example, let's just say I'm buying a book, and the book, it cost me $1.50. Alright, so if I were to give money to the to buy it, so let's just say I gave $5 to buy it, and they ask find out what's the balance or change. Basically, I'm giving $5 to buy something that is $1.50, so we have to minus it, and whatever this difference is, right, which would be $3.50, this is what you call your change or your balance.